Understanding the difference between chesty and dry cough is critical to recommend the right treatment option. Dry cough and chesty cough are recognized through the presence of mucus and the sensation. Their duration can be acute, subacute, or chronic. Chesty cough, also known as productive cough, commonly accompanies acute viral or bacterial airway infection and other conditions that might persist, like bronchitis or pneumonia. It feels like a rattling sound in the chest. Patients may also feel chest congestion due to mucus buildup. This excessive mucus or phlegm needs to be coughed out. Dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, is often a symptom of airway irritation and/or inflammation. It can be due to exposure to irritants such as smoke or dust, acute viral upper respiratory tract infection such as common cold, and other conditions that might persist like gastroesophageal reflux disease, post-nasal drip, allergy, or asthma. A scratchy or tickling sensation in the throat triggers the cough reflex. Afterwards, the patient may feel a tightness in the chest. Dry cough doesn't produce any mucus or phlegm. Understanding the difference between dry and chesty coughs empowers you to select suitable treatments.